Hey guys, good morning. Today is Monday, January 18th, 2021. And I want to start doing these videos to start giving you some value, once or twice a week, minimum. So that way we can go through some things besides the normal training. And so I want to share my screen with you and go over a few things, a few tools that you already have access to. And by the way, it helps me if you go onto your website, play around with it, make sure everything's good, everything's working, just in case something's, off for whatever reason, right? And so let me go ahead and share my screen with you. So first of all, let's go over the real estate. So your real estate website is agent4real.estate. So instead of .com, it's a .estate, and then it'll be / your name. It'll be your first name and then hyphen and then your last name. So in my case, it's Ernest-Martinez. That will go over to your website, and as you can see, I put a scheduler right in your website so people can go ahead and schedule some time with you, either a listing appointment, a buyer appointment, or just to sit down, go over, some real estate investing strategies maybe. And so it's really easy for them to use. So just come over here. Let's say they click on 8 a.m. They'll put their name, their information, maybe some comments, and they'll click book, confirm booking, and then it'll confirm, and then you'll get an email, and then they'll get an email of the appointment. But more importantly, I would say, is I set it up to where the day and time of the appointment, 3 hours before, they'll get a reminder. Then about an hour before, you'll get a reminder. And then 30 minutes before, they'll get another reminder. That way they get 2 reminders the day of, and then you get, 1 reminder. And I did 1 hour before with you guys, so that way it gives you enough time. Hopefully you guys already set up if it's a listing appointment or anything. You set that up, but it gives you an hour just in case, right? And so let's just go back. So that is the scheduler. Property search. So this is very important. On this tab, it's linked to the IDX with the MLS. Ours is IVAR, Inland Valley Association of Realtors. And it's a property search tool. People can search properties and things. So all they click is, residential. Let's just say, let's just say apply. They'll go on here and they can go on to, let's just say Fontana. And then they'll start seeing properties, right on your website. And so this is linked to the brokerages one, so that way all you guys, you can show properties to your buyers. But once you're actually a realtor yourself, all I need is your own IDX number, or if you come over to the office, I'll grab it. It's in the back office. Maybe I'll make another video to show you how to get that. But I just need a code, so that way I put that inside of your website. That way, if they're looking at property and those leads will go directly to you. Okay. My listings page will show the brokerage listings on here, so that's pretty self-explanatory. Mortgage calculator, that'll show. This is really cool, by the way. This is on the loan side as well. So this one's 200,000. So our area is about $400,000. Right now it's about 2.9% on average. Calculate now. Not only will it calculate the payments and the total payments and the total interest, but it'll give the amortization table. We talk about it in one of our classes, but the first half of the whole loan, you're actually paying more interest. So this kind of breaks it down a little bit. Pretty cool. Neighborhood. This one actually shows what's going on in the neighborhood. Okay, so let's just give you an example. Again, let's go with Fontana. See if it goes just by zip code. Okay, there we go. So this is a Fontana zip code in the Inland Empire. So it goes over medium, age of houses, all that stuff. But here on the bottom, you can see people, schools, environment. So this is where you could get that information. So with people, it'll go over population, the density, the percentages between, you know, men and female, the medium personal income, what they make. You keep scrolling down, the degrees that they have. Pretty cool. Schools. So, you know, a lot of buyers ask, you know, as far as the schools, so they can do this right on your website. So high schools, middle schools, elementary schools within that zip code. That's a lot of schools, right? Environment, quality of life, and map. One of the last ones I use is environment. This one's taking a little bit of time. Okay, well, when you get a chance, you can check out the rest of them. Mainly schools, and I believe criminal stuff was on here, like break-in rates and things like that. All right, next one, facing foreclosure. So if there's anybody facing foreclosure, or maybe you're doing that type of marketing and they go onto here, click on your tab. This is a very interesting video, so look at it when you get a chance. It'll talk a little bit about it, and then they can call you, okay? Events, so these are the public events that we have right now. We do not have any public events, mainly because right now we're in a pandemic and we can't have those public events. But later we'll have those again, and then you'll see, you know, depending on what niche you're going after, we'll have an event for that. Maybe buyer seminars, foreclosure seminars, things like that. And if you're interested, even right now, we can still do it through Zoom. So if you want to make some type of campaign like that, then let us know and we'll do something. We'll set up a block 2-3 hours, and then we'll do a Zoom meeting, you know, for you and everybody in that niche. Okay. Media, that's pretty simple. I just put some motivational videos on here. This is good because it attracts, you know, some people that like this type of stuff. They'll go onto your website and then they'll click because they know you have motivational videos. COVID-19, a lot of people want to see the stats, what's going on. So all you have to do is click by countries, and you can look at the USA, and then it's broken down. California, you just go right here, which we're the first one, and then you can see the total deaths, cases, all that stuff for anybody that's looking on your website. So this is a very informational website, as you can tell. And then obviously contact, so that way they can send you a direct email. And of course, at the top, it'll have your photo, your name, your phone number, so they can call you, email you directly. The office address, if you want me to change this to either your mailing address, or if you have your own satellite office or anything like that, let me know and I'll change it for you. It'll have obviously the logo, your license numbers on this side, and then if you have any social media, it'll be on here. If yours doesn't have social media, it means you haven't sent that to me. So send me your social media links, and then I'll put that on there for you, and then they'll show up, and then they can click and go onto your social media. Okay. So again, this is the website, informational website, and let me just get off of here. Okay. So now that I showed you the website, we have similar website, but for each division. This one is obviously for real estate agents. We also have a real estate funnel that I'm in the process of creating. Those are for the public and basically squeezing and getting leads. This is informational, and so people can come on here, get off, you know, get information. It's not really meant to put information and take a lead, if that makes sense. And obviously to schedule an appointment with you. So again, if you have any questions, let me know. But very cool. This is what I suggest on this one, by the way. This link, put it on your email signature. In fact, let me show you on mine. Let me share my screen again real quick. The informational website, you should have it handy on your email signature. So let me just show you this one. Okay, so this is my email signature. What I would suggest is obviously copy mine. Just go ahead and go like this, copy it, press copy, and then go onto your settings and then paste it there. And what you do is just switch out the links where these things go, and that's it. And then you're done. So for example, this one, the real estate one, if you click on it, it'll go onto the website that I just showed you. And so it's just literally a matter of going on to your set, well, here, let me show you. Here, go on to settings, see all settings. You're going to scroll down and your signature will be right here. I set up a few email signatures because I said I have like multiple emails on here. But you'll go onto your own, which is this one. I don't know why they have it so small, but it's this one, So you would just, in yours, it would pretty much have nothing in here. So you just right click paste and then it'll show this. Then what you do is you just grab this and then you can change it. See how you see the change? And change it to your photo. If I created your website already, all you have to do is go onto your own website and your photo is already being hosted on the internet by me. So all you have to do is grab this. So you right click, copy image address. So that's here, let me show you. If I paste the image address, it just shows the image, but it's on the internet. So this is pretty much what you need. See this URL of the image itself, not of the website. So that way you can grab the photo. So then you'll put that on here, and then the appointment, you can make it go to your appointment or your page, and then right here, same thing. Or you highlight it and then press this little link button. Oops. Oh, I think I erased it next time. All right. Okay. So like I said, it is agent4real.estate / your name. In my case, it's Ernest Martinez. Press OK. And then these other ones go to obviously the other pages. Press save and you're done. So now whenever people go onto your website, then, or actually they get emails from you. Anytime they want to go to your website, they just scroll down and then click. Okay. Same thing when you're sending a text, sometimes, especially for first time clients, what I do is I have another spot on my phone that has my notes, and then I have my different text message signatures. And so I'll just show you real quick. See, text signatures, and then I have my signature. Very professional, has my license number, my name, my title, my license number, number, email, website. And so you would put your specific website, which in this case, it's your realtor website that we have for you, okay? And then for ads and things, but I would not suggest using these for like classified ads or social media or anything like that, because you want to capture those leads because you don't have their names, phone numbers, and emails. You don't even know that they're interested. So if you have just a bunch of people going onto your website, yeah, you'll have some traffic, but that's pretty much it. Unless you're a little bit more advanced on, like, let's say the Facebook or Google advertising, what you could do, this is a little advanced technique since you're still on this video, is you grab a Facebook link. It's called a Facebook pixel. If you're doing Facebook ads, you grab that, copy it, it's a code, copy it from Facebook, you paste it, or you give that to me so I can put it into your website. I put it into your website, and so all of the traffic, regardless of where it's coming from, when it goes onto the page, if they have a Facebook page linked onto their own website, you'll basically save that information on your Facebook ads profile. So it'll start gathering those pixels of those Facebook accounts that it's linked to. And so when you're advertising later, you can advertise to the group that's been going to your website. And so now you have very targeted traffic, okay, coming back to your website. But I would suggest having them go onto another website that just does one thing. But yeah, but Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys learned something. Put together your email signature. Now you should have your website, and good luck. Okay. Thanks. Have a great day. Bye.